So you initially were in that kind of fundraising, investor relations role. Can you talk about a little bit to the listeners, like the progression of someone like that? Because it's different than the deal professional or investment professional there, right?
Yeah.
Like
And
the day-to-day, what that's like there as investor relations. Like, are you on calls all day? Or are you on the road all the time? What was it like?
Yeah, it was both of those, calls and on the road. And I think most of what I've done in my career, other than being an investment banking associate, had been something that there just wasn't a very established career path before I came in and started doing it. So at that point, there were a lot of phone calls to LPs, as you're talking about, a lot of traveling, going to meet current LPs, going to meet prospective LPs, a lot of figuring out strategy, a lot of working with the management of the firm, with the senior management of the firm, with the different investment teams, the different products, figuring out strategy for fundraising. It is, like you're saying, it's very different than a deal role. In a deal role, you're spending a lot of your time on the LBO models when you're at the more junior levels. You're spending time getting into the companies. So you could think of the people who are doing deals, they're more into the companies. The people who are doing fundraising are more into the investors. One of the other things that I used to joke about is that the fundraising team had much better travel than the deal teams did, because when you think about where mid-market companies are versus where large institutional investors tend to be, if you like being in large, exciting cities, right, the fundraising can be a place to do that.